India's pharmaceutical industry stands at the forefront of global healthcare, producing affordable medicines for billions. But as the world's needs evolve, leadership will require more than scale. Quality, innovation, regulatory readiness, resilient supply chains, and financial strength, these will define the next generation of industry champions. Across every stage of the value chain, I see Indian businesses driving progress. From active ingredient chemistry to high-tech formulations, research labs to quality control suites, and packaging lines to temperature-controlled warehouses, each part connecting seamlessly to global markets. There's momentum in generics, APIs, specialty medicines, and advanced therapies. With new trade corridors, domestic API initiatives, and rising investments in biotech, opportunity has never been greater. But with opportunity comes complexity. Growth demands capital, procurement, development, regulatory upgrades, packaging, and inventory all require investment, often long before revenue arrives. Exporters face extended payment cycles, currency shifts, and evolving global rules. For many, the challenge isn't demand. It's ensuring liquidity is available at the right moment to turn demand into lasting growth. That's where the right financial partner becomes essential. With bespoke financials, Indian pharmaceutical manufacturers, traders, and exporters gain strategic working capital and business finance solutions tailored to commercial cycles, not just numbers on paper. Fast approvals, flexible structures, and sector-focused insight mean you can secure inventory, fulfill orders, manage exports, and expand capacity without straining daily operations. Whether you need non-asset-based working capital, supply chain finance, export-import funding, or larger restructuring, the goal is clear: align your capital to your ambitions. India's pharmaceutical opportunity is expanding. Those prepared to invest in quality, innovation, operational resilience, and financial readiness will claim the future. If you're planning for larger exports, new procurement, capacity upgrades, or your next stage of growth, Bespoke Financials is ready to help you move forward confidently. Bespoke Financials, enabling Indian businesses to grow stronger, move faster, and scale smarter.